I couldn't find a teleprompter app that didn't make me want to throw my monitor out of the window. Everything out there is either bloated with features I don't need, requires a monthly subscription for scrolling text, or forces me to completely change how I format my scripts. So, I spent an afternoon building my own. I'm not trying to sell you anything here. This is literally just the bare bone MVP I coded for my own workflow. If you find it useful, grab it. If not, pretend this never happened. The biggest roadblock with existing apps was my script format. I write with distinct audio and visual blocks. I want to copy paste my entire raw document into the prompter and have it instantly know to show me the parts I actually need to read out loud. I refuse to manually edit my script twice, just so the software doesn't break. So here's how it works. You just paste your raw script into the data input. The UI is aggressively simple. You have a couple of filters you can toggle. It automatically strips out any lines wrapped in brackets, which is where my visual cues live, and ignores the blank spaces. If I have a heading with the hashtags, the app knows that's a hard cut in the recording, so it splits the text into distinct sections for the edit. You hit start and you're in. Once you're in the full screen, it does exactly one thing. It scrolls text. You can adjust the text size. You can set the pacing anywhere from 60 to 300 words per minute. When you have the auto scroll on, there's a visual timer so you know exactly when the next line is coming. Honestly though, I mostly use the manual control. Just hit the spacebar to toggle auto off and use the arrow keys to advance the lines at your own pace. If you mess up a take, just arrow back and read it again. There's a progress tracker at the top letting you know how many lines you have left to suffer through, and that's it. It isolates a single line of text on the screen, which dramatically cuts down on the amount of times my brain blue screens while trying to read. You can even use it to write directly in the app if you want to draft on the fly. It works with whatever formatting you prefer. You don't have to adopt my ridiculous system for script writing. Sometimes the best tools are the ones that do exactly one thing without asking for your credit card. The GitHub link is in the description. The README has all the logic if you want to poke around under the hood. People actually end up using this, and you have the feature request that isn't completely unreasonable, drop it in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Until then, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and keep your workflows clean. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.